I'm going to show you how to enable, use, and also disable reverse wireless charging on your OnePlus 15. So go to settings. Under settings, you want to go to battery, tap on that, and then scroll down and go to charging settings. And then at the bottom of that page, you will see reverse wireless charging. So you can tap on that, and then this is where you can enable or disable reverse wireless charging. Now, you can also set a limit so that when your battery is below a certain percentage, reverse wireless charging stops working because you're trying to save battery for your own phone. So that limit is set to 25%. Of course, you can adjust it to whatever percentage you want. I'm going to leave mine at 25%. So now that we have wireless charging, reverse wireless charging enabled, that means you can now use your phone to wirelessly charge other wireless charging capable devices. For instance, I have the AirPods here, AirPods Pro 3s. These have wireless charging. So if I put them at the back of the phone, they should start charging. You kind of have to position your item on the OnePlus logo for the best results. There you go. You can see my AirPods are charging from the back of that OnePlus 15. Now, I'll come here and you can turn it off when you're not charging any other devices. Now, there's an easier way to do this. If you swipe down to the quick settings panel, you should see the reverse wireless charging icon, and you can quickly turn it on or off from here. So that's on and that's off. Okay, thanks for watching. Good luck.